Artem, the music you're listening to is way too loud. Did you know that loud music could damage your ears? How could it happen? Here's a video that explains everything.
Loud noise can damage cells and membranes in the cochlea. Over time, the hair cells in your ear can die. After being at a loud event like a concert, you might notice that there is a ringing in your ears or you find it harder to hear. This is because the hair cells in your ear bend more with louder noises, like blades of grass bend more in the wind. But this is okay. Your hearing should return to normal after a short period.
Wow, that's really interesting. Is there a video on the different parts of the ear?
Of course.
There are three parts in the ear: the outer, middle and inner ear. The pinna helps collect and channel vibrations into the auditory canal. There are three tiny bones called the hammer, the anvil and the stirrup in the middle ear. They increase vibrations and transfer them from the outer to the inner ear. The stirrup is actually the smallest bone in our body. The cochlea is a spiral-shaped bone found in the inner ear. It looks like a snail shell and it plays a key role in the sense of hearing. Pressure waves are caused by the sound by vibrations, a conversion to electrical impulses that are sent to the brain.
Our ears can also help with balance. Let's do a quick experiment to show this.
One student spins around in a circle while the other spins a glass of water. Both stop after a few seconds. The student who is spinning is still dizzy and wobbly, although they are no longer spinning. The water in the glass is still moving, although the glass is now flat on the table. This experiment shows how a liquid called lymph, located in the vestibular apparatus in the inner ear, moves microscopic hairs, which the cochlea then translates into a nerve message to our brain. Then our brain can send messages to the right muscles around our body to help keep us balanced.
But for those who can't hear, what do they do?
They use hearing aids or grommets if you're a child. Here's a video all about it.
What are hearing aids? Hearing aid is an electronic device that you wear behind your ear. It helps those with hearing loss do their day-to-day things, may that be communicating, out shopping or even meeting up with friends. Grommets are inserted into the eardrum and they allow air to enter the ear. These are used for children.
Thank you so much for telling me all these interesting facts.
You're welcome.